Shalom and welcome back to Flipping Pages Stirring Sauces. If it is your first time here, welcome. My gratitude to all of you for taking time out of your schedule to spend with me. It's going to be a short one, and this message is specifically for my very brave brothers in Africa who are currently taking the world by storm and showing how it's done. I have a very special message for the three of you, and that special message involves baking soda, hashes, charcoal, sand, and salt. I cannot give you the measurements because they were not given to me. But you need to have your scientists do small scale research on how they work together to clean the soil and the water. Imagine that, eh? And I've got notes here, so I'm just consulting my notes. Once you're successful in coming up with a formula, you need to expand the amounts and distribute the solution over larger areas. I don't know if all of them work together or if some of them are decoys, but once you start playing around with them, a formula will emerge. And this is another family secret that is to be kept within the family. I know I'm moving around a lot. I wanted to be outside because it's beautiful out here. So once you've given life to the formula, it must be kept in the family. You can share the end product, but not the recipe. You will breathe life back into streams and rivers that were polluted and lifeless. Grass is a very powerful thing that helps to clean the environment. Study it for its cleaning properties. Isn't it amazing? We just walk on it and do not give it a second thought, but it is a very good cleaning product. All those craters and pits that open pit mining has left behind, you can plant low seeding grass into them once you've cleaned the soil. And I'm gonna come back to that because I wondered about that too. You can make soil from certain types of worms, kitchen scraps, garden foliage, etc. So you need to get the entire population involved in soil making to cover those pits and craters with the soil that you've made, or that the nation makes. This is not a one person or two person thing. The entire nation needs to be involved. And this might sound like it's an impossible task, but when you have millions of people participating, you will be surprised at what you can accomplish. It might not be for the next generation or the next generation, but eventually those lands will be used for healthy food production. When I was given this information, my question was, how are they going to prevent the rest of the land from getting contaminated with the seeds from the polluted area? And the answer is start with moss or with low seeding grass. Now, I wish I knew what low seeding grass is, but I do not. I honestly don't know what low seeding grass is. I was given a stern statement when I questioned that. And that statement was, your job is to deliver the message. They will figure out the rest. Now, a writer always wants to do the job of the editor and the proofreader and the printer, when all the writer should be doing is writing the story. That is their only job. So I am just a messenger, and the message has been delivered. Go give life to your grandchildren and your great-grandchildren. They will be grateful. A wall of protection around you, my brothers and sisters in the motherland, and it is a very short one. I'm going to leave it there. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I give you my peace. I give you my ahab. Until next time, shalom.